let me show you how to create. This is the the printable we created in Canva recently. So you can see it's a mommy tracker. I'll just take this away. It goes through upper and lower body exercises. It has a little checklist, so the mom or the user can check off how they're using it. Goes through every month you can do. Then it breaks down every exercise and gives some more additional tips. And then it has like a current stats. So this is what we created in Canva. But if Canva is not what you like and you don't like using Canva and you think it's a little slow, although it is really awesome, and you like PowerPoint more, let's try to recreate this in PowerPoint. And as you know, a great printable or PDF or opt-in for your readers is something that they want to print out and actually use. So this is something that the mommy wants to print out and go through and do the check boxes. And then every time the exercise is explained, that's something that she also wants to hold on to so she understands it. Is she doing her barbell presses correctly? Even though I don't do that. Or like push-ups or whatnot. All right, so let's go into PowerPoint. And I've already started a little bit because I wanted to test out and make sure I can do this. So let's go into File, click on New. And this is what you're going to start out with. And this does not look like a PDF printable at all. So how do we go through and make this look much, much better? So first thing you can do in PowerPoint is you can set up your custom colors and fonts. And this is something you can do in Canva, but you actually have to pay for the premium version of Canva to set up your custom fonts. In PowerPoint, because you probably, if you have PowerPoint, you're paying, I think it's $50 per year for the Office suite. I think that's the last time I checked. Anyway, you can set up your custom fonts and colors. So let me show you how to do that. Go into Design. There's a little here in Variant. Click on this little drop down. It's pretty hard to find. Click on Colors, and then it will bring down all these different color palettes. So you can see here, I have Mom Life, Happy Life. I have that color palette already stored here. Tree Aid was a website I did recently or a while ago. And then Start a Mom Blog brand colors. So you can go into here and click on Customize Colors. And then in the accents, you can drop down and find your color. You have to go into more colors and type in the RGB code for your colors for your blog. So your brand colors. So you can go through and change these. Say, for example, you're like a very red brand. So you can, I'm assuming I'm getting the RGBs right. That's for your hex color. So you can see, I'm just giving you an example. So you can see the colors are changing. And get another like super red one. All right. And then we can say, okay, this is my blog colors and click on Save. All right. So then when you do the little drop down, you're going to see here's my blog colors. All right. So it saves that palette for you. That's pretty cool. You can also save your font style for your headings and your body text. So if you go into fonts, you can click on Customize Fonts. Say, for example, for your heading, you have Broadway. And then for your body font, something probably that's a little easier to read. What's it? Starts with an M. It's very popular. Can't find it. Let's just pick something very simple that people can read. Okay, we'll do grotesque. Oh gosh. All right, so that would change and save your fonts. So let's just double check. I don't think I changed them. So if you right click, you click on edit, and then we just give them a name. Okay, my blog fonts, and that will save that. All right. Or if I want to go back to the ones that I use for my blog, it's Railway, so I can just hover over and that will enable mine. See how cool that is? It will save all of that. So it's very time saving, so you can easily save your colors and your fonts. All right, so now that we have PowerPoint kind of set up and customized a little bit, how do we resize this page so that it looks more like a PDF? You can go into the slide size, click on custom slide size, do the drop down, click on A4 paper, make your slides portrait as well. All right, so there you go. Now your slides are nicely paper size. So when somebody prints it out, it's going to print to a normal A4 paper, A4 page. All right, so next, after we've resized this, we can now add in our, I think when it resized, it took away our fonts. So let's go. Click on our fonts for our blog and select our colors. All right, okay, so that's all set up. Now we want to do the mommy workout. And it's our tracker. All right, so easily in PowerPoint, you can go in and make text a little larger. That's one thing that I like about PowerPoint compared to Canva. It's just a little bit easier to maneuver around. It's not as chunky. And then you'll see the real reason why I love PowerPoint, which is going to come up soon. All right, so that's your mommy tracker. We'll make that as our little title. We can insert some shapes. To make it look similar to what we had. So you can be as creative as you want to in PowerPoint. And we'll just easily copy paste. There you go. That is our title slide. Okay. Now what you can also do in PowerPoint is go into, I think it is it View? It's View. Go into View and you can customize the slide master. So you can change your slide master. Say for example, if you have a blank slide that you're adding to your PDF, what do you want to add into it? So where we can insert text. We can create a template that shows up on every page. So you don't have to recreate and copy and paste. You can just edit the slide master and it will do it for you. So we can insert some pictures. I'm just giving you an example here. Okay, so that is, say for example, you want a nice little title and we can make that a little bolder. There you go, mommy workout. And then you'll go into View. How do I exit the slide master? There you go, exit. So now when you click on the new slide, on the blank one, it's gonna bring that up. And that's already set for you as the slide master. So it's very easy to set different templates without having to copy and paste stuff. You can just create it once in your slide master and it's there. All right, so now what do we actually include on our PDF so that people sign up to our email list, get this amazing freebie that's gonna help them? Because the whole reason why you're creating an email list or building an audience is to help them. That's the whole goal of your blog, is to take somebody that's at point A and take them and help them along to get to point B. From where they're currently struggling with a current issue, your blog and your advice and your PDFs and your emails are there to help them through that transition and get them to a successful place. It could be losing that first 10 pounds after baby. It could be reconnecting with your child or being a better mom. It could be growing your blog. So everybody, our blogs are there to help others. And that's why I'm here for you guys. All right, so now once you have your mommy workout, I added, well, you guys are going to like this. Now we're going to get into the good stuff. All right. So how do you make like a little list and make things look prettier in PowerPoint? And this is what I really like about PowerPoint. You can go and click on Insert and click on Smart Art. And when I was in corporate, I was always discouraged to use Smart Art because it's too fancy and it takes away from the message and things were supposed to just be kind of black and white. But now that I run my own business, I can use Smart Art as much as I want. So let's go. We'll click one here, and I already have some text that we can put into it. So you can fill in your list of tips or tricks or exercises in this case, and we have them here. So all I did was just, oopsie, type them in here in the little text box, and then it would put it in my smart art and look super pretty. I'll make it a little bigger so I can actually read it. And now for the fun part. You can go back to design and hover over the smart art templates. And this will show you different templates that you can use for the data that you just put in there. So this sometimes takes me hours because I go through each template and I see which one looks the best so that I can help my readers. There's even one with like pictures. You can actually add a little picture that describes each step. So for this one, which one did I like? I'm making you guys dizzy, I'm sorry. There you go. I like this one. So that's the really nice thing about PowerPoint is you can use the smart art and create these beautiful printables and mock-ups really quickly. So we'll do the mommy workout. Those are the exercises. Then you can do upper body, lower body. Let's go back into this one. Oh, this one's cool. Then this is one that I did just before you guys came on. So I made this little smart art of all the different exercises, and I can select all of them and make that a darker text so you can actually read. There you go. This is the exercise, the body part, the description, the routine. So think about how you can break down a problem in your niche and make it a simple step-by-step guide for your readers. Maybe it's how to cook this amazing Thanksgiving dinner, or how to make baby food. Whatever it is, what can you make easier for your readers and give them a little chart that they want to print out and actually use. So then after this, another thing that's nice about PowerPoint is, did you see there? I just pulled up the slide master slide that we created, which is nice. You can insert a table very easily if I find it. So we want to insert something that's 7 days and 6 rows so that I can put in my days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you can easily create a little calendar within PowerPoint. We'll select the top row, align the text to the middle and in the center, and we can make them just a little bit bigger. There you go. You can also add a nice little title in a different fancy font. So say, for example, this is January. Come on. There you go. Sometimes you have to force it to go a little bigger. There you go. And then what you could do is, in the previous tracker, we had those days kind of grayed out. Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesdays are grayed out because we're not going to exercise on those days. We're going to rest. Mondays are arms, and Tuesdays and Fridays are legs. So Tuesdays and Fridays, I can only select one at a time. You can change the shading to match the workout. So upper body was yellow. You can easily copy and paste the pages. This would be lower body. I'll show you. Okay, well, while we're on it, you can change the colors of the smart art pretty easily too. So you guys might think I'm this designer with all my PDFs, and I'm not. I just use smart art in PowerPoint. So you can go through and change the different colors, different styles. And the coolest part, you can even make it a rainbow. You can use all your colors at once, or a shade of all your colors. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then we'll go back. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. Change the shading here. So then your readers know that they have to check off the boxes. For Monday is upper body, Tuesday is lower body. All right, so you can do this little calendar. For each month of the year. Another cool thing that you can do with PowerPoint is easily toggle between cases. So you can do sentence case, you can do lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. So just with this little drop down, if you accidentally wrote everything in uppercase and you want to get it all down in lowercase or sentence case, you can just use that instead of rewriting the entire line of text. So that's super helpful. And then lastly, I want to show you how to create a little tracker and then make this PDF editable. So we can insert a couple shapes here where we will input text, because some people might want to print this out and some people might want to edit it online. So we're going to do that. We're going to insert some text. Big Y. So say, for example, that one. Okay, that piece of text, I wanted it to be all uppercase. I just click on that. Boom, it's all uppercase. And then this would be current weight. I know you guys probably, not everybody's going to be in the exercise niche, but think about ideas of how this can be used in your niche and how easy this is to create. The more time you spend on this PDF and the more information you're going to put in it, the more helpful it's going to be and the higher conversions you're going to have. So I advise you don't create the PDF in 5 minutes and then that's it. Take some time to really input some amazing advice in here. And especially if you do the hard work of going through and curating a lot of advice and breaking it down into simple steps for your readers, they're going to love it more. So current weight, goal weight, I don't know, number of push-ups, and then number of pull-ups. Okay. So just little goals that the person could write down. All right. You would probably want to make this just a little lighter if they're going to be writing in the boxes. All right. Okay, so now we have our PDF created. Imagine there's more data for our readers. One thing that I missed that I haven't put in here yet. There's a little add-on to PowerPoint, and this can work for Google Slides as well. It's called the Noun Project, and I think it's about $40 per year. You can click and add it on to Google to Google Slides or PowerPoint, and then you can search for any icon. So say, for example, we want to search for a barbell, right? Because this is all about exercise. Look at all these cute little barbells that come up. Those are dumbbells, little barbell. If you want to add that, you click on it, and then it adapts to the custom colors that you've chosen for your PowerPoint deck, and you can add that into your slide. How cool is that? Or for example, each exercise here, we can do push-ups. Let's see if they have a push-up one. Cool. Okay, so here's a little push-up guy. He's doing a push-up. We can insert the icon. And then, oops. Okay, so what you want to do is if you hold shift and then change the box, it retains the size. So we can do a little push-up there. I wonder if a barbell row. Probably not. Just do barbell. Or bench press. Bench press. Let's see. Cool. It has a little bench press. So we'll click on that. As you can see, this can get really fun. All right. So you can add little icons. If you want info or graphics, you can even use this as infographics. So if you want graphics for your printable, the Noun Project is really easy to use, and it's a little add-on in PowerPoint. So that's a tip for you. Now, lastly, what we want to do is at least add your blog URL at the bottom of this PDF. So if somebody prints it out and they put it on the refrigerator or they start using it, you want them to remember where they can find you. So if you click on Insert, click on, where is it? Header and footer. And on the footer, you can put your name and your blog and apply to all. So there you go. So that will be added to every slide so that people know where to get you. All right, so once you're done with your slide and you're ready to use it on your blog as an incentive offer, let's do one last thing and make it editable. You can do File, Save As, and we'll save it as a PDF right from here. My mommy workout PowerPoint example. All right, so it's saved as a PDF. Now go to PDF Escape. So that's the website that can make your PDF editable. pdfescape.com. Click on the free online version. Upload a PDF to PDF Escape. Choose your file. Easiest place to go find it. All right. So we have our PDF. It's loading. And we can scroll down to the part of our document where we want to make it editable. And you'll click on, I believe it's Form Field. Click on Select. And you'll just drag and drop where you want to add Form Field. So this will make the PDF editable online. Pretty cool for your audience. After you're done with that, click on Save and Download PDF here on the side. And then we're going to open it. And this will be the PDF that you share with your audience. And it's super helpful. And then they can, my current weight, edit it here. Or they can print it out and edit it from home. All right, so I hope that helps you see that there's more than one way to create printables. You can use Canva, you can use PowerPoint, you can use Google Slides. Those are only 3 of the programs that I like to use. I know there's many, many more. You can even use Word. So let me know what questions you have regarding printables and how I can help you. And I hope this was super, super duper helpful.